Hello, happy morning to all my lovely kids there. How are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health as well as your parents, grandparents and siblings, right? So students, let's come back to our chapter. We are on chapter number 19, that is lines and angles. This video is your part 8 video. आपको याद हो तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि हम आज एक न्यू इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक शुरू करने वाले हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन यू गो टू न्यू प्लेस, आपको चलो मैं एक स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ. I was traveling to Manvi and I forgot the way. Now I was confused whom to ask for the help. मैं किससे पूछूं कि आप मुझे प्लीज करेक्ट रास्ता बताइए, प्लीज गाइड मी टू द राइट पाथ. I was so confused. At that time, what I did? I opened my smartphone. I went to Google Maps. Map. Our today's topic, that is map. Map will guide us the way, the path. For example, आज आप ट्राई कीजिएगा, आप अपने घर से मार्केट का रास्ता को देखिएगा, आपको वहाँ पे डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. आपको पूरा जूम करके भी वो फीचर्स उसके अंदर अवेलेबल है कि आप यहाँ पर हो, आपको वहाँ से वहाँ तक जाना है, इतने किलोमीटर्स है, दिस टाइम इज देयर एंड दिस इज द डायरेक्शन एंड many more things. You will be able to see and explore new world. So आज हम उसी चीज के बारे में थोड़ी सी जानकारी लेंगे. That what are maps, how they are useful in our day-to-day life. So students, for that you are supposed to open page number 148 of your textbook. Let's start it. In this, I'll map को meanings stick कराऊंगी. You have to write that meanings in your notebook. This can be asked as the definitions. Okay. The first is maps help us to understand location with the help of directions. This is the first meaning. Understood students? Map help us to understand the exact location where we are and where we want to reach our destination. You must have seen the symbols on many maps. They stand for, आपने बहुत सारे symbols देखे होंगे in this way: north, south, east, west, N, S, E, W. You have seen this alphabet in map. But आपको आज properly clarify आएगा that N stands for north direction, S stands for south direction, as well as E for east and W for west. Tina and her parents are planning a trip to Europe with the summer vacations. They will be visiting many countries. So Tina is planning to go for summer vacation. So this is the map for her and this will be your activity. You are supposed to fill up this. They will begin their journey from Belgium followed by Germany, which is on dash. You are supposed to write the exact direction. Okay students, here is Germany. It is on which direction? West direction. So this will be your part of homework. Now next topic is scale of map. We use scale, right? In this 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and the centimeter goes on, right? हम मैप भी यूज करते हैं. मैप में आपका एक स्क्वायर होता है that represents 1 centimeter. All the things work according to a perfect measurement. See, Riya wants to draw some objects on the graph paper of different size. Riya as a girl, she wants to draw different type of object. Help her drawing and color them and observing the figure accurately. See, आपको यहाँ पे एक ड्राइंग दी गई है जिसका स्केल मतलब जो छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस है they are of ½ सेंटीमीटर. अब आपको क्या करना है, इस पिक्चर को 1 सेंटीमीटर में आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं. You will count exact number of boxes and then you will draw it. I know you will be enjoying this, right? Students, on page number 149, again the same activity is there. यहाँ पर आपके पास 1 सेंटीमीटर है और आपको इसको पिक्चर को छोटा कर देना है at half centimeter. Understood? So now reply me one thing. Did you observe that enlarging or reducing the object does not changes the shape of the object if the scale is kept in the mind? Students, जैसे कि ये कैट है, 1 सेंटीमीटर में भी वो कैट एग्जैक्ट थी और हाफ सेंटीमीटर में भी वो कैट एग्जैक्ट ही होगी अगर आप अपना स्केल मेजरमेंट अच्छे से ड्रॉ करते हैं तो. क्या वो ऑब्जेक्ट चेंज होगा? नो, राइट? वी हैव सीन दिस इन एसएसटी आल्सो. एक्चुअली जो ग्लोब है वो बहुत ही बड़ा है. द वर्ल्ड इज सो ह्यूज. हमने उसको एक छोटे से में ड्रॉ कर दिया, दैट इज ग्लोब. ग्लोब इज द प्रॉपर रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ. वो भी प्रॉपर स्केल अकॉर्डिंग बना था. हमें उससे आइडिया आएगी एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन, राइट? So students, this was all about it. The scale is the ratio of a distance on the map to the corresponding distance on the ground. मैंने आपको पता है एग्जाम्पल दिया था एसएसटी में, याद हो तो हमने इंडिया का मैप देखा था. इंडिया का मैप एक्चुअली रिप्रेजेंट करता था इंडिया को. अंडरस्टूड? सी कीज इन मैप. आपको बहुत बार कुछ हिंट्स दिए हुए होंगे मैप में. Like this. This is the picture of the classroom. This is the map of Disha's classroom. Observe the drawing and keep carefully. देखिए, door outside, group table. See, a semicircle table is for student table, square for group table, and circle are the chairs. See, this is the table with 6 chairs. 6 chairs a table. आप देख सकते हैं अच्छे से, आपको आइडिया आ गया. Now you come to know that this symbol is used for which? Remember हमने SST में एक चैप्टर किया था, I think it was second, right? जिसके अंदर हमने माउंटेन्स के लिए सिंबल्स बनाए थे, चर्च के लिए, रेलवेज के लिए. Remember that chapter? We use symbols to represent the exact area. So this is all about. Answer the following. How many chairs are there in the classroom? So you need to count the round one. Let's count it. 6 plus 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47 chairs are there. How many doors are there in the class? Now you are supposed to find the door. Let's see. 1. I am able to see only 1, right? Yeah, 1. How many students can sit at the computer station? Computer station, only 2 chairs are there. So 2 students. What is the purpose of group table? To sit and to discuss with our friends. Draw another arrangement of your classroom using the same symbols. Now you have to draw this type of classroom. Understood, students? So students, here we complete the discussion of our topic. This is your review exercise. Let's discuss the topic we will be discussing in next video. Okay. Students, let's keep this exercise for next video. So today we complete the discussion and this exercise will be discussed in the next video. Till that, take care of your health, mark the defines properly and jot it down. Bye students. God bless you.